Hello everyone, this is Group 11 and today I'm going to explain the code that we made which aims to extract meaningful keywords from movies and visualize them using cloud words. Before we get into any of the code, we first need to import the beautiful soup library to parse through the HTML files and get the data needed for our code. Here are some examples that we use to test if it works, where we grab the data from news articles, but in this one we're planning to get the keywords from movies and find the meaning behind them. Now on to the actual code that we will be using. First we paste the URL onto the variable called URL. Then we put it as an argument to this function over here, get IMDb reviews, which as the name implies, gets the reviews from the web page. Now onto the function get IMDb reviews. First we get the information from the website and put it in this response object. And if the value is not 200, it means that we have failed to achieve the data. If it is 200, we parse through the object and obtain the data from it, and then we put it in this list called reviews. Then after that, we get the text from it, the data from it over here, and we return it. And if it succeeds in grabbing the data, we save it to the text file. If not, then we just print no reviews found, which in this case we've already done it. Now over here, uh, we test if the IMDb reviews.txt file is indeed saved by using the OS library. So now onto the next part of the code. So after we import the Vader tool, we're going to create an object instance called analyzer, and then we're going to grab all the sentences from the text file. And here you can see the lists of the keywords that I mentioned before, the positive, negative, and neutrals. And here you can see the tags that you usually see in HTML files. We're going to use this list to delete all of these keywords that are in these sentences over here. So as you can see here, we parse through each sentence and then you delete them from the sentences. And right after that, we give the value uh, of those sentences. So if it has a value more than 0, we append them to the positive words list. If it has less than 0, we append them to the negative words list. Else, if it has a value of exactly 0, then we put them in the neutral words list. Then we append them all to a single string variable. And here you can see a function called calculate size, which is used to uh, return the size of the word cloud that we're going to show later. And here you can see we're getting the sizes for them, and we're making the word clouds that is gonna be inside the graph. And here you can see total size is equal to all of these sizes combined, as well as the how big we're gonna make the word cloud to be. So the the more frequent, the more positive words. So let's say the more positive words there are, the bigger the word cloud is gonna be, and the lesser the occurrences, the frequencies of those words, the smaller the word cloud is gonna be. And here's the result. As you can see, the the word cloud for the positive words is really huge compared to all the other ones. the neutral words uh, is so small, which means that has very few frequency occurrences or frequencies. Thank you very much for listening to my explanation. I hope I explained that fairly well so you can get an idea of what we're trying to do here. With that said, I hope you can find some use or maybe inspiration from this. Yeah. Uh, Thank you again. Have a great day.